Hey, this is day 3 on the Mighty Help app. I hope my mic is working. Is my mic working? I guess it's working. I'm not sure which one it's using. I'm not used to this. Okay, but I'll probably out just in case. Day 3. The health coach texted me yesterday and said they were going to put me on the aerobic track, which I quickly texted back and said no. Anything but aerobic, no cardio. I said I would do stretching, I would do flexibility, I would do weight training, whatever. Walk, but no aerobics. So he texted back and said, okay, he's going to put me. I think it's a chair workout, which um, I have arthritis, and but I mean I can stand. It's just my knees will hurt the next day probably. So I'll try the chair workout. We'll see how that goes. But I think the first, because it's not on today's list. Today's list we have some top reading topics, and I think these you can, some of them you can choose. I chose menopause as a track because, well, I know like on the opposite end of it, but still. See if there's any information about hormone balance and things. And started the food log yesterday, which is pretty simple. You are not required. It's not like the other apps, the Math Fitness Pal and stuff, where you have to do the put in the quantity, all that kind of stuff. You just write down, list the foods you ate, and the coach has to look at it, and I think they figure it out. So you don't have to do any of the math and stuff. But so I started that yesterday. And when you start writing down what you eat, I guess it's why they do that, because then you start thinking, dang, I eat a lot of snacks. I eat a lot of snacks. But, okay. And color coding, which it is food. I was thinking about, a lot of people say eat the rainbow kind of thing, but the color coding is more about green foods as being eat as much as you want. Not green as the color green, the food, but there's a category of green foods, and anything in that category is stuff you could green light, eat as much as you want. I haven't got the list yet. I guess when they say they're fixing a grocery list, I guess that's that list. The green, was it yellow or orange? And then red. I can't remember if it was yellow or orange. But kind of like a stoplight. And the group, um, got in the group and did the intros and stuff. And they also have a private Facebook page. Um, Groups are just like all groups. Different. And we had the first weigh-in today. Okay. So, all right. So far, and my step goal, which is really nice. I only set it like 500. Um, which is pretty easy to get. Now, I don't, especially with the bad weather. I got 700 and some yesterday. I'll get a lot more when the weather is warmer because I can get out and walk with the dogs more. We having a desk job. You don't do a lot of walking except going to get some snacks. Okay, so far so good. I think I'll have the first exercise tomorrow. So I'll get and it's listed as total body chair workout. So see how that goes. But so far it's interesting, and I'm still waiting to get that food list, grocery list, whatever. So, and I think we kind of all know those things already. But so I'm interested in seeing how the exercise is going to go. Um, all right, so that said, I will probably, yeah, I can probably update you after the exercise tomorrow, so I can give you an idea. Now I did on the first day. It had an exercise. It had an aerobic. And I actually tried it. Uh, didn't make it very far. Ended up just watching the rest of it. But I mean, it wasn't really hard. It wasn't like the beach body stuff. Um, but it was still more than I had stamina for. So, but I think it's gonna be good. Anything that makes me pay attention to what I'm eating and move more has got to be better. So, then you got to get moving. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to end this, and I will catch you on the next update after I do the exercise tomorrow. Bye.